Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside kitchen refrigerator, outside shower, triple step entry, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, outside speakers, power tongue jack, outside kitchen cabinets and drawers, flip down travel rack, triple slides, electric awning, outside kitchen sink, LED exterior lighting, living room fireplace, front bedroom, rear bunkhouse, dual bedroom nightstands, overhead storage, linen cabinet, entry grab handle, shower skylight, walk around queen bed, TV mounting bracket, stainless sink, overhead kitchen storage, pull out spray faucet, over the range microwave, 2 ACs, half bath with toilet, sink, and private entry door, USB charging station. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.